Welcome to SOS Electronic. Today we are presenting Lantronix NTC-500, the 2025 IoT Router of the Year. The NTC-500 series by Lantronix won the prestigious 2025 Industrial IoT Product of the Year award from IoT Evolution World, a strong confirmation of its innovativeness and significant contribution to the segment. These high-speed industrial 5G routers are here to tackle all the challenges of complex Ethernet-based applications. They deliver extremely reliable, enhanced wideband wireless internet connectivity that's engineered for industrial automation, transportation, and smart cities. Key features of the router are: firstly, industrial-grade 5G connectivity offering an accessible solution at affordable price. Secondly, high-speed data transfer that delivers strong performance with high throughput and low latency, all in a compact and durable form factor. Thirdly, it comes in robust but compact design, featuring metal housing with IP41 protection and multiple mounting options. With secure remote access and enterprise network support, the router provides a highly manageable solution. It is suitable for both existing fixed installations and mobile or temporary setups, allowing for versatile deployment. Typical applications include industrial automation and manufacturing, requiring real-time control, coordination, and pathfinding for autonomous guided vehicles and robotic arms on factory floors, private 5G networks, especially highly reliable mobile networks for mining, construction, healthcare, retail, and campus environments, edge AI and video analytics with high-speed connectivity to support machine vision, remote inspections, and firmware upgrades for applications, and temporary or mobile installations that enables rapid cable-free deployment in modular sites, warehouses, and logistics centers. Quick overview of the Lantronix NTC-500 series, technical specifications, and our recommendations can be found on our website. If you are interested in more information about Lantronix products, or if you need technical advice, get in touch at soselectronic.com and we'll be happy to help you.